Hey guys, it's DK Inspector SA. Today I'll be reviewing the Galaxy A04s. Well, to be honest, I feel like Samsung was really lazy with this phone because what the S really stands for is smooth and speed, which compared to the Galaxy A04, this phone is much smoother and has more horsepower. So I'll be doing a comparison very soon of the Galaxy A04 and the 4S. So subscribe and don't miss out. Well, coming to the display, I have to admire Samsung for this. Of course, this is an LCD display, not an OLED. But the fact that Samsung added a 90Hz refresh rate, and it's not only 90Hz, but it's an adaptive 90 to 60Hz display that can really save you a battery, and seeing that LCDs don't consume as much power as OLED, plus an adaptive refresh rate and a massive 5000 mAh battery, that's really impressive. And seeing the downside of this device is that they gave us only one bottom firing speaker, in which doesn't really deliver well. Then we hit an unexpected turn with these cameras. Well, here we're dealing with a low-end camera system, a 50 megapixel main lens with f1.8, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Well, I really didn't expect much from these cameras. I'll be dropping sample shots, be the judge. Well, I can't say I'm disappointed with these cameras, because what did I expect? It still records 1080p at 30 frames per second like any other low-end device, and of course not forgetting the well-known pool of 5 megapixel lens found here, which too records 1080p videos. And I have to say, this is really a poor camera system. I really don't recommend it for anyone. Well, let me say this is not a bad phone. For anyone who's looking for a cheap backup device, this is it. And not forgetting that Samsung has been reusing the same Exynos 850 that was found in the A21s and last year's A13. So yeah, it's really not bad. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'll be putting it head to head with the normal A04, and I might be comparing it to some flagship devices to see how it stands up and stands out, and maybe a bigger brother, the Galaxy A34. So that's it from me this week. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Enjoy your day. Peace.